سلام علیکم، فائزه هستم و امروز قراره با هم دیگه مکالمه تمرین بکنیم. باشه برو خودکار دفترتو بیار که شروع کنیم. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna practice speaking and here's how it works. I put together a dialogue. Each of us has lines to say. You'll see them on your screen. I'll say my lines and then you'll read your lines to reply. Almost like acting movies, right? I tried to include phrases that I particularly like. We're gonna practice pronunciation. And the most important thing, we're gonna have so much fun. Let's begin. Let's crack in. This conversation is between two colleagues who haven't seen each other face to face. And it's a very common scenario these days. And this is why I picked this situation. So remember, I start, you reply with the phrase that's on the screen. Jennifer, right? It's good to finally put a face to the name. Exactly. You're just as I imagined you. It is. I've been waiting to meet you in person for so long, and you have a real knack for problem solving and have been such a huge help on this project. Well, I try to keep things interesting. I like to think outside the box. Sounds like a plan. I'm free after you. That was it from me for today, guys. How did it go? Did you enjoy that? Please let me know if you've enjoyed this video in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. And I'll see